Hello everyone, welcome to my vlog. Today, I will teach you how to write a paragraph step by step using a formal theme book. If you sometimes feel confused about where to start or how to organize your ideas, don't worry, this video is perfect for you. We will go through 3 easy steps. First, it is outlining. Second is pre-writing, and third is writing in the formal theme book. So get your paper and pen ready and let's begin. First, let's talk about outlining. What is outlining? Outlining is a way of organizing your ideas before writing. Think of it as your guide or plan so your paragraph will be clear and organized. On your paper, write your name, write your grade and section, write the date, then make your outline like this. The title of the paragraph, Roman numeral 1, topic sentence, Roman numeral 2, supporting sentences, and Roman numeral 3, concluding sentences or concluding sentence. As you can see, the outline helps us organize our ideas before writing the paragraph. This makes writing much easier.
Okay, so this is an example or sample outline. We have the name, your name, grade section, date, and the title of the your outline or your paragraph. So we followed three. We have the topic sentence. We have the supporting sentences. It's it depends on how many supporting sentences that you will include. I have here 5 supporting sentences that supports my topic sentence. It's okay if you have 4 supporting sentences or 3 supporting sentences. It depends on you. And then we have also the concluding sentences, which summarizes all the idea in the paragraph. It summarizes the main idea and other ideas in the.
Now, let's move to pre-writing. What is pre-writing? Pre-writing is the stage where you prepare and draft your paragraph before writing it neatly. Get another piece of paper. Set your margins 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side.
Okay, so you can see I put margin lines on the left side and right side. Make sure that you put 1 inch margin on the left side. You can use pencil and one half inch on the right side. At the top of the paper, write your name, grade and section, the date, then leave a space, then write the title of your paragraph in the center. And then before writing each paragraph, put a 1 inch or 3/4 inch indentation at the beginning. Use your outline to write your essay. And as you can see, I have followed the margin line, 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch on the right side. After you have written your paragraph, you need to erase the margin line. We use pencil in putting the margin line in both sides. Okay, important reminders. Always check your grammar, check your spelling, and make sure your sentences are correct. After that, ask your teacher to check your work to make sure there are no mistakes. Remember, this is your draft, so it doesn't need to be perfect. but it should already be clear and correct. Last step, step 3, writing in the formal theme book. Now, we go to the final step, writing in the English formal theme book. So we will transfer, we will write the paragraph in the formal theme book. So the first step is to fill out the necessary information at the top of the page. What are those information? We have the name, grade and section, date, formal theme number, aim, reference, and the title of your paragraph or formal theme. Example, formal theme number 1. After that, we need to set the margins. Setting the margins. Set your margins correctly. So we need to put 1 inch on the left side and 1/2 inch margin on the right side. So you can use a pencil. You can use pencil when setting the margins. And you can use transparent ruler for accuracy. Put 1 inch on the left side of the page and put 1/2 inch on the right side of the page. So this will make your work neat and easy to read. And after that, don't forget to put a 1 inch indentation before your first sentence. So before you start writing, you should put 1 inch indentation before your first sentence. So this shows the beginning of your paragraph. An important reminder. Okay, later na. So, I will demonstrate how to write the beginning sentence. Make sure you have 1 inch indentation, then write the beginning sentence. Okay, as you can see, I am writing the beginning sentence. And then we have 1/2 inch margin. Okay. Then after that, on the second line, do not follow the indentation. We will follow the the margin that we had put on the left side, the 1 inch margin. We will follow that. Okay. Indentation applies. We apply indentation on the beginning on the beginning sentence when writing the beginning sentence of the paragraph. Important reminder while writing, make sure your sentences follow the correct order. What is the correct order? First is the topic sentence, followed by supporting sentences, and last is the concluding sentence. Also, we need to write neatly. We need to use proper spacing and make sure your handwriting is clear so that your teacher can read your paragraph. So after writing, you need to check for grammar mistake, check for spelling errors, and make sure your work is neat and tidy. Don't forget to erase the margin lines after writing your paragraph because uh, we practice cleanliness, neatness when writing your paragraph, especially in the formal theme book. Okay, and that's it. Now you know how to write a paragraph step by step using a formal theme book.